you see this old man get a workout. Like that. Yeah, I went down there. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm here riding with my buddy Keith. We're not too far from the Ozark Mountains, out here in the desert. Guess you call this desert. Just finding some trails. He knows a lot of these. I don't know none of it. A couple I've learned, but that's about it. There's definitely a lot of riding out in here. We got some rain the other day, so it's a little wet. There's some dust, but it's a lot better than it has been. There's more rain. It's actually supposed to rain after a while today, so hopefully it does. On the green up, to me it looks pretty green, but he says it's not near as green as it gets. I haven't seen a jackrabbit one today, and usually I see lots of them. This is state land here. We're on state trust land, it's called. There's a lot of it out in Arizona. I know that. They have BLM land, state trust land, and they have the national forest. Like Coronado National Forest. Which is like over in the mountains there. Woo! Feels good moving a little clip. And when it's not, it's kind of humid right now because of the rain, but when it's dry, to me, as long as you're riding, it's not bad at all. And you're not sitting out in the sun. But now it's pretty warm and humid, but as long as you're moving, it's good anyway. Even though it's not sunny today, the sun will probably come here in a little while. Whoa, there's some sand right there. I felt it with my front tire, yeah. I've not been on this one. Keith, you're gonna run out of blinker fluid. You keep doing that. He probably has a 5-gallon reservoir on there for blinker fluid. I do that all the time. I can't say nothing myself, but I can pick on people that do, like old Keith up there. I'll see how long he leaves that on. He's gonna comment right now. Trying to dodge most of those pointed rocks sticking up. A lot of dirt out there. It must be the quarry we're talking about, that people have mentioned to me. Ooh, where we? Oh, we're back at those hill climbs, I think. Yeah. Don't run off in that hole. Run, lizard. I haven't been out here. Down in the creek bed. Dry creek. I mean, deep sand too. This is, you can see Keith wallering around up there. He's wallering around like an old sow. And look at me. I'm about to go down here. But as I've said, I'm not a sand guy. Keep me on the hard stuff. Well, I'm about to go the wrong trail here. This is some soft stuff up in here. You see this old man get a workout. Like that. Yeah, I went down there. Get to laughing and lay this sucker over. He may be turned around here. I think he is. Down in the ditch. Down and dirty. Down and sandy. Whoa. This stuff is just super deep. And it's kind of been wet, so I'd hate to see it when it's dry. It would be bad. But hey, that's a good workout. I need it. More the better. What's the matter up there, Keith? I'm going to talk Keith into getting a signal on these days. If you'll notice, that turn signal's still on. Whoa! About to go down again. I suck in that stuff. So you buy that blinker fluid by the 50-gallon drum? I was mentioning you on the camera. It's like, let's see how long he leaves that on. I do that too. I just say, heck, I'll leave it on because I'm going to turn eventually. Yeah. Well, that's a pretty good trail there. It goes on. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Is it crazy? I hadn't been on this. Yeah. And I hadn't been on that. We're back at the hill climbs now, so. Have you been in here when there's water running down through there? Oh. Yeah. Right. Right. Well, guys, I'm going to get off here and end this video. I made fun of Keith enough for his blinker fluid. We're going to move on. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Get you on the next one. Right on.